Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Oh, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so I'm going to go back to price because you dropped a number, 40K to 100K. So, I mean, what factors go into the price for replacing poly beam and floor heating? And how can a homeowner get an accurate estimate?
I feel like everybody always goes to the price factor, but it is a big number. So what we want to do here is really just dive down into all the different factors. So one is, where are we replacing this in-floor heating? Is it a townhome? Is it a condo? Is it a house? Is it a bungalow? Is it a two-story? Is it a four-level split? Size of house, type of house are going to vary. Why does it vary? Because with an in-floor heating system, if we're just replacing the in-floor with in-floor, we're gonna have a lot of runs if you're a big house. So each run about 300 feet, you're doing a loop through there. You're gonna have multiple loops going through on a big house. Each loop is gonna cost more money. Each run is gonna cost more money. And for every run, we've gotta take down more drywall. Most of the time with an in-floor heating system, if we're replacing with another apples-to-apples in-floor heating system, we're dropping an entire ceiling. So that's a lot of drywall work. If you look up at your ceiling in your house right now, you're gonna go, imagine this whole thing is coming down. What's it gonna take to fix this after and repair it, retexture it, paint it? Those are factors that we have to do when it just comes to replacing apples-to-apples with an in-floor heating. Next, what kind of system are we doing? Again, are we doing in-floor heating? Are we doing baseboard heating? Are we doing mini split heating? How much drywall is being taken out? How much repair work is being done? Do we have to upgrade your electrical panels to handle the mini split heaters? Do we have to replace the boiler when changing out your baseboard to make it a combi system? One for your domestic, one for your in-floor heating. There are numerous factors here that are going to determine what your final resolution is for price. Best thing to do, contact that poly B professional we keep on talking about and going back to. Get to the specialist, not a plumbing company, not a general contractor, not a renovation contractor. Get the poly B specialists in there. They will know and they can do a heat calculation for you. They will go over, hey, it's this much money for a direct apples to apples to switch. There's this much money for a baseboard system. There's this much money for a mini split system. Do you have to change your boiler out? All these factors are going to be addressed with that guy. I know you want me on camera right now to be like, this is exactly how we nickel and dime
How to get
this.
the best price, yeah.
And this is exactly how we get this, oh, it's $100 for this and $100 a square foot for this, but it's not really. There's so many factors and there's so many situations that we just can't get to on a YouTube video. So
Yeah, no, and that makes sense. That's great. Thank
so
you.
I hope that helps you out. But again, contact a professional. Let's get an accurate quote. Heck, give me a call at Urban Piping. I'll hopefully help you a little bit more over the phone. We can pull blueprints out for you. We can look at your plans. We can give you a better estimate over a phone than most people can. And, budget for the worst. Always assume you're gonna hit the top ceiling. And then when it comes in cheaper, take your wife on a vacation.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah.
Hawaii.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly. Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.